Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I was just playing around today with some blends, and I've never really blend on a solid text. So let me back up here, and two different exact blends, and I'm going to show you how to blend this, but two different ways. So we're going to grab our blend and go to New Path and put it on our path. And on this one, I'm going to blend along full path. And I'm going to get that. Now watch this though. Go to blend, new path, blend along full path, and rotate objects. Look at the difference. Now, I'll never get to use that as a laser engraver, but that is significantly pretty cool. Somewhat. I didn't really think it'd work on a T as much as it would easily on an S. So let's grab these two and blend them 500 times. You need a lot of blends. And then around full new path, blend along full path. And look at that. I mean, it almost looks like that's hollow in a way. Let's see what we're going to do this time if we blend a path, and this time I'm going to rotate this one, which I have not before. Total different look. I like the other one better. But all you want to do something like that, to blend, just, draw you out a letter. Let me zoom in a little bit. Making an ellipse. Don't really think it has to be an ellipse, and we're gonna do a red one. Then get out your interactive fill tool, and this is what I did on that other one. Then I'm going to put red on the end, but I'm going to bring yellow to the middle. Whoop. I normally have to put a box there, but it should right there. And then you can always move them around or whatever you want to do. Get the interactive fill tool back, and you could rotate this, have it come a different angle, a little bit more, a little bit less, like at a 45. And then all you have to do is copy that, hit the plus key on the keyboard, blend them a lot, and let's try a different letter this time. Let's try E. Now it needs to be quite a bit larger. Then grab your blend along new path, blend along full path. Wow, that time, see, that's what I would expect it to do. Let's go see if we can't go to object. I wonder if there's a way to break the blend apart. Well, I know there is, but I was going to see if we could get rid of the black. Wow. Now, I expected to do that on all the letters, but for some reason on those other letters, it did not. Now this time, let's blend along full path and rotate. See, there we go again. And 500 might not be enough on this E. Let's go 700. Well, we have to back up completely. So we get two dots. Let's just try this S. Well, that one's being used. Let's get it out of the way. Let's go back to an E. Kind of like that look. Now it's a little bit big. Well, it's connected to the S somehow. We can always go to our Docker and get rid of the S. Ha! Now I put the blend. Let's make sure you always select it all, then go break the blend apart. Get rid of that blend. Now let's try our new dots at 700 because we've got a lot of room to cover. Go up to new path, blend along full path. There we go, and see it's taking away the blackness. That looks pretty cool. They could actually go more blends. Let's back up and rotate them this time. Blend along full path and rotate all of them. Pretty neat effect. And if you did it with some different colors and You know, that's just the yellow in the middle. Anyway, just playing around. Looks like you could do it to any letter. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.